In this tutorial, we'll explore how to deploy a modern website using Netlify. We'll go from local project files to a live, publicly accessible website in just a few steps. Netlify is a cloud hosting platform that offers easy deployment, continuous integration with automatic builds, a free hosting tier, custom domain support, and serverless functions for scalable web applications. In this demo, we'll walk through deploying a website using Netlify. First, we create an account on the platform to access its features. Next, we retrieve or prepare our project files, ensuring everything is ready for deployment. Then, we upload the files to Netlify, where the platform automatically configures the build process. Finally, with just a few clicks, we deploy the website and make it live, generating a publicly accessible URL that can be shared anywhere. In this approach, we'll deploy a website using Netlify connected to GitHub. First, we create accounts on both platforms and prepare our project in a GitHub repository. Next, we link the repository to Netlify, allowing the platform to automatically detect the project and configure the build settings. After linking our GitHub repository to Netlify, we click on the demo HTML file in the repository to select it for deployment. From there, Netlify takes over the process, handling continuous deployment. Whenever we push updates to GitHub, the site automatically rebuilds and redeploys. Finally, our website goes live with a custom URL, fully hosted in the cloud and ready to share with anyone. Option 2, deploy via zip file. Navigate to your dashboard. Once there, locate the search tool or menu and select Add New Project. This option allows you to create a new site directly from your files. Next, prepare your project for deployment by ensuring all your HTML files are organized. Then compress them if needed, or simply select the main file such as index.html. Drag and drop this file, or your project folder, into the designated upload area on Netlify. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the upload and build process is underway. Within a few moments, Netlify completes the deployment, and your website becomes live with a unique URL. From this point, your website is fully hosted in the cloud, accessible to anyone, and you can continue to update it by uploading new versions of your files or using continuous deployment features if connected to GitHub. This method is perfect for quick demos, static websites, or small projects where simplicity and speed are key. You have successfully deployed your website on Netlify, making it fully accessible in the cloud via a live URL. Your site is now ready to share with anyone, whether on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. Netlify not only hosts your website but also provides features like continuous deployment, so any future updates you push to GitHub will automatically rebuild and redeploy your site. Now, the next step is to expand beyond the front end by integrating back-end services, implementing user authentication, and enabling scalable data and video handling. By continuing to build, optimize, and explore advanced cloud solutions, you can transform this project from a simple deployment into a fully functional, production-ready platform.